Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Pomfret Caldine. It's a mild gravy made out of coconut milk that gives you a smooth and creamy texture. Try once and this will be your favorite recipe. So let's get started. In order to make Pomfret Caldine, I've taken two, which is 500 grams. First, what you have to do is clean them, cut them, wash, apply salt and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we'll start preparing the masala. For this, we require 1 grated coconut, half an inch of ginger, 4 cloves, 5 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of cumin whole, 1 tablespoon whole coriander dry, half teaspoon of black peppercorns. So by adding water, let's make this to a fine paste. Now add this to the strainer and extract coconut milk. So now add this to the blender, again adding water. Second time we'll have to extract the juice, the coconut milk. This is the second time we'll extract the juice. So let's start with the cooking process. Once the vessel is hot, add oil. Wait till the oil gets hot. Add onion. So I've taken 2 medium sized onion, chop. Once the onion is brown in color, add 1 tomato, medium chop. Saute this for a while. Add 3 green chillies slit. Saute it for at least 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now once the tomato is cooked, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this. Now add the coconut milk. When you add coconut milk, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and let it simmer. Mix well. Keep the flame on low once you add coconut milk. While it is on slow flame, add half a tablespoon of vinegar and mix it. Let the gravy simmer for at least 5 minutes by mixing it in between so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Now time to add fish in that. Check the size of what you have cut. Let the fish be immersed in the gravy and keep it on slow range. While it is simmering, just mix it, don't use a ladle. While you add the fish, when it is simmering, keep it for 5 more minutes and your fish is ready. Look how beautiful it looks, caldine. This is how fish caldine is prepared. Try this recipe at home and you all will enjoy this.
Pomfret Caldine is my favorite since it is mild, spicy and rich creamy gravy. I have it with just plain white rice, so I'm ready to garble mine. When you are trying yours, just leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Thank you.